Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set default printer on Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one start button and then click on settings gear icon. Under settings window, click on devices. In the left sidebar, click on printers and scanners. On the right, in case this one option is checked, let Windows manage my default printer. Just uncheck this one option. Then in the printers and scanners list, select a printer you want to make it default. Then click on this one manage button. On the top you will find set as default. Click on this one button, set as default. Go back and you will find that your particular printer is now default printer on your Windows 10 PC. That means whenever you will press Ctrl P or using any method, you will open print dialog box and you take a printout. It will automatically take a printout in your default printer.